Openly pollinated heirloom seeds have been collected for centuries, crossbreeding the best of the best within a farmer's crop or amongst farmers. We want to make sure that when we do this that we're breeding like-to-like plants that have grown up in a similar microclimate. But as you can see, the USDA map here clearly indicates only one or two grow zones within New Hampshire. Most farmers here know this to be untrue. The undulating hills and valleys create microclimates based on elevation. We seek to create an heirloom seed collection cataloging database that will increase our bounty and monitor the number of generations as well as the elevation that seed was harvested from. This will allow us to share seeds amongst growers that have similar elevations, increasing the bounty, the productivity, and the Mendelian effect. I think it's important to distinguish between Mendelian genetics that the Kearsarge-Savid group is trying to accomplish versus GMOs. They are not inserting jellyfish DNA into their crop, but just crossbreeding the best of the best tomatoes. Getting there. Well, we have to get a collection of seeds from a basement collection into an Access database. We need to allow this seed saver group to add and subtract seeds, and we need to allow them to add new types of vegetables and view the current inventory when they need to. I think it's important to distinguish between Mendelian genetics that the Kearsarge-Savid group is trying to accomplish versus GMOs. They are not inserting jellyfish DNA into their crop, but just crossbreeding the best of the best tomatoes. Farmers have been doing this for a very long time. Taking the best vegetable and trying to select out for certain traits. It was something that Mendel Monk discovered, that he could select for certain traits by crossbreeding. This crossbreeding allowed him to determine that certain traits are hereditary and could be passed down and even promoted. Therefore, we can create a seed database where we can add seeds, withdraw seeds, view the inventory, and allow people to trade their seeds more productively. They can find people in the same microclimates within New Hampshire that are a match for them. They can bring the disorganization of the seed saver group with and in line with the Kearsarge-Savid seed group's objectives for the Warner area, and this will produce, we hope, a much better garden for all of the participants and possibly